Yo, what's up guys, my name is Piyush. Today I'm going to show you how can you make a second channel in your YouTube second channel. So you can see like I have one channel only, Windows Expert. Those who don't have subscribe, please subscribe. These are my videos. So you can see when I go channels there, these are my subscribe that some subscribed, but I have to make a new channel. You can see I have to make a new channel, so there is no new channel. So today I'm gonna show you how can you make make a channel in your YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go and sign in your account that you have made, means which channel you have made. So go to there and click on this icon. There is showing one icon, that icon also any icon picture that you have selected. So when you go this to this and go to down and click on settings, here you can see settings. Click on settings and you will see here like thing settings and picture icons. Some these my only one channel, Windows Expert, so I have to make a new channel link. So you have to go to on create a new channel. When you will go there, you can see here I named add channel name. So what you will write, you have to give a name to your channel that you want to give. So like I am giving what I can do, like I am writing a new second channel. Second, no, wait. New channel. Oh shit, I can't. Oh, channel. This is my new channel name, like you can see. And when I click, I understood that. First of all, you have to read this. I understood that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. Learn more. You want to read more, so you can click on learn more. And when you will read this, click on tick and then create. So your new channel will create your new channel name. And this is loading because yes, see, you can see a new channel I have created. So I can give it a picture profile, so that anything I can give it name. So for those who want to like I want to delete this. So like you can see, I will go to your channel and switch account. See, you can see there are new 2 channels. When you want to go to another channel, go to switch account and you can see Windows Export new channel. So when I click Windows Export, I will come to Windows Export. Oops, it's not loading. Reload. Some glitches are there. Switch account, yes, and then go to new tab, YouTube, and you can see here your icon that you go to your second channel. And now you can see here that's come my channel. So like you want to delete this channel, second one, so go to switch account and click on this account, those that you have. So go to new switch account, not switch account, go to sign out. When you will sign out, so you can see I have sign in option. So I am pausing for a while because I have to sign in my account. So So yes guys, that you can see I have signed in again, and when I go to this switch account, oops, I click about this, sign out, add account, go to new channel, and then go to your channel, and in your channel, see here will come sign out option. So those who want to sign out, like I am sign it again from my new channel, when I click it will say to sign in, and again I have to sign in. So yeah guys, that you can see there will come a new option that you have signed in. So don't ask again, click it on and select a channel, and that's all. So again you can see your switch account, and you can see here are two counts. So I will make a next video that you can how to delete this new account that you have created. So that's it for all. So bye guys, and have a nice day.